Let's be real, most salads are super boring. I've eaten at so many French bistros to prove that for every sad bowl of lettuce, there's a salad that can literally change your life. Today, I'm giving you the top 3 you have to know. We're basically teleporting to France to challenge 3 salads that are legends in their regions. These aren't just salads, they're a piece of history, an entire meal, and a masterclass in flavor. From the sunny coast of Nice to the food capital of Lyon, you won't just see how to make them, I'll tell you the insane stories behind them. So grab a fork and let's do this. First up, the legendary salade niçoise. Coming straight from the city of Nice on the French Riviera, this is basically summer on a plate. But you won't believe the drama this salad causes. People literally fight over it. The salad police in Nice have crazy opinions. They will tell you a real niçoise only has raw vegetables, tomatoes, hard-boiled eggs, and either anchovies or tuna. If you use both, you're basically a monster. And boiled potatoes or green beans? No chance. So who started this global controversy? The legendary chef Auguste Escoffier made a version with potatoes and green beans popular in the 1900s, and that's the one that took over the entire world. Today, we're making a version that's massive enough to be a full meal. All right, let's build this beast. You need perfect hard-boiled eggs, bright tomatoes, crisp radishes, and these insane little niçoise olives. The star of the show is high-quality tuna packed in oil. For the dressing, we keep it simple. Good olive oil, red wine vinegar, and garlic. And here's a 200 IQ trick. Rub a garlic clove all over the inside of the bowl before you even start. Now for the final build. This is a composed salad, which means it has to look incredible. Arrange your ingredients on a huge platter. And here's the secret. Do not toss it. Every single ingredient gets its own spot, so every bite is the perfect bite. The result is a vibrant, massive salad that's perfectly balanced. Next up, we're going to Lyon, France's capital of delicious food, for an insane bistro classic, the salade lyonnaise. This thing is warm, it's huge, and it's unbelievably good. It's living proof that you can take a few simple things and make something mind-blowing. There are only 4 main ingredients here, but it's all about the technique. Frisee lettuce, crispy bacon, a perfect poached egg, and croutons. The base is frisee, a bitter green that can handle the warm dressing we're about to drop on it. If you can't find frisee, just use escarole or even dandelion greens. First, the lardons. Get some thick-cut bacon, slice it up, and cook it in a pan until it's perfectly crispy. Now listen to me. Do not throw away that bacon fat. That stuff is literally liquid gold, and it's the secret to the entire dressing. Just add red wine vinegar and some Dijon mustard right into the warm pan, and you've created a vinaigrette that will blow your mind. And for the grand finale, the craziest part, a soft poached egg sitting on top like a crown. The second you cut it, the runny yolk explodes everywhere, creating another richer dressing that covers every single leaf. Trust me, this isn't a side dish. This is the meal. For our final stop, we're in the bistros of Paris for the salade parisienne. If the niçoise is a vacation and the lyonnaise is a warm hug, the parisienne is the most satisfying, epic lunch you can possibly imagine. It's a complete meal that perfectly balances protein, carbs, and vegetables. It's another composed salad, but this one is completely different. The base is a crisp lettuce like frisee or romaine. Then we layer on boiled new potatoes, cubes of cheese, like Emmental or Gruyere, slices of amazing Parisian ham, and quartered hard-boiled eggs. And here's a surprise ingredient, raw sliced mushrooms. I know it sounds weird, but they add an unbelievable earthy flavor. A strong French vinaigrette, usually with a ton of Dijon mustard, brings it all together. Just like the niçoise, you arrange the ingredients carefully instead of tossing them, so every single flavor stands out on its own. It's the ultimate Parisian bistro meal in a bowl. Simple, fresh, and just next level. So there you have it. 3 of the most legendary salads in the entire world. You've got the vibrant, sun-soaked salade niçoise, the rich and insane salade lyonnaise, and the epic, satisfying salade parisienne. This is proof that a salad doesn't have to be a boring starter. It can be the most incredible part of your meal. Now I have a challenge for you. Which of these 3 salads are you making first? Let me know in the comments right now. I read every single one. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane food challenges. Until next time, bon appétit!